Well, I just looked out the window. It's dark. It's gray. It's cold. It's foggy. It's January. Perfect to take some photos. Let's get some. I think I lucked out. Some good shots. Wow, this bridge really vibrates. No idea. Exposure problematic. Alright, I'm gonna work the filter on and just get my tripod out. Five seconds, let's do it. Hit the camera. Change this, I think, compensation. That one didn't turn out too bad. All right. Might be able to fix that. All right, let's change the time. 2.5. Let's go half. Maybe. Might be a winner. That's it right there. That's it. The other side. Cool. All right. I like this. This is a good. Let's see. Let's vote. Oh, that's awesome. All right. Let's try. Sold out here. Try a different lens. My 24 to 105 on. Change the composition a little bit. Let's see.
Ooh, love it. That is a good one. Very nice. I like that. I'm going to just shift it over, get a little bit more of that tree. That is good. Good, good, good. Like it. All right. Adjusted the shot a little bit. Oh, butter. Butter. That's a wrap for here. We'll move on to the next stop. See you there. Squirrel. What up, buddy? This might have some potential. We'll see. We'll try it. I'm trying out my newer lens, the ultra widescreen Tamron 11 to 20, 2.8. Let's see how it does. Same settings as last time. That's a little blown out. Let's lower the time. Oh yeah. Still need to master this. Totally blown out. I'm at a different spot. Slightly different shot. Essentially the same. Yeah, like I said, it's not that exciting up here. Uh-huh. Yeah, not bad. One more. Cool. There's not a good view out this way. These power lines are in the way. My God, you hear all this machinery? They're doing yard work in January. All right, pack it up. Moving on, next spot. Stop number 4, and probably my last one, because I'm cold. Most of the fog is lifted. Yeah, that funny, huh? All right, here we go. Not too bad. Cool. Okay. I think That will be a wrap soon. Let's see. Alright. Well, I think that's going to be a wrap for today. I will see you next time.